Ever since I left the US in 2021, I would visit most summers and winters to see family and friends. Each time, I've been lucky enough to share these moments with the same close friends I've stayed close with. This time, we're on another trip together in Yosemite. It was our first time here and it was completely worth it. The only complaint I have is that it was too short, but without further ado, welcome to another vlog of our trip to Yosemite.
Hi, Cambodian.
You got 2 of each, right?
Thank God I didn't go. We didn't get that.
We made it. I know. This feels like.
Look,
This feels like.
Wood. Please make a.
I'm gonna make it down there. There's a creek! There's a creek down there! Why is it not working? The leaves are so
I'm just thinking about the pain right now. Now it's more so.
This is definitely like photo shoot spot.
Yeah.
Yeah, I bet. Selection. Oh. This is the selection. There was like things like, dude, I've never seen this one. This is a new flavor.
Oh, God.
So I was like, I had to switch it up. Most likely,
Half dome. We just got some goodies. Going to mist trail. Mist trail.
Miss.
We might see some deer. We made it.
Not yet. Dude, it's like we found an oasis.
Right? Ooh.
Wait, this is so cute. Oh. Wow. This is a one-way. This is on the top of the waterfall, right there. You can see it's golden hour. Whoa. It's so spiritual.
It's layers. Really? It's a crepe cake.
Tell me. Yeah.
It's a crepe cake.
Ooh.
Oh, that's the rock from earlier.
Yeah. It looks so different.
5,400 feet.
It doesn't have like a measurement. Which one to eat first?
You might have.
Homework.
I'm really tired of this.
Is it?
I'm testing out a new driving style.
Well, that's fine.
But
I think from here we need to just leave. So large. Like what? I'm dying. His ears are so cute. When you're mean to me, this is Go like a.
Oh, so yes. It's like the Japanese jam.
So is the ball.
Oh no, yeah, they're not.
It's
Mint
more
is most
wrinkly.
Magical Carol. That's their full moon.
Yeah, honestly, yeah.